Scott O'Sullivan here, founder of Rider Justice. We're here at Durango, Colorado at the Four Corners Motorcycle Rally. So fun. We're at the dealership. We're doing fun stuff. Hang out in the lounge here. We got free water, free donuts, all that kind of stuff. Plus, tonight is the big night. We got flat track racing tonight. Come and get a free tattoo and a cool shirt. Get a cool shirt like this, and we'd love to see you. And one thing to remember, when you call Rider Justice, you're calling me. I'm not a franchise. You call me, and I'll take care of you.
Obsessing, just as long as I can share it all with you. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, come rain, come shine. Hell and back, the beginning in between till the end of time. All that shine.
time. Now I was cruising, trying to get by. I was on my way to losing, I don't know why. It's just something about the music, it's getting me high. Getting me high, getting me high. Now I was cruising, trying to get by. I was on my way to losing, I don't know why. It's just something about the music, it's getting me high. Getting me high, getting me high. Look, I don't do much talking, I just walk in. Everybody staring like my balls out, but I'm ballin'. Yapping out the side of their neck, so appalling. Your favorite rapper, fake gangster like Jake Paul and them. Yeah, no offense though, they ain't heard no shit this lit since Blow the Whistle. Yeah, shout out Too Short. I ain't a pimp though, but I still walk with a limp. I ain't a crypto, I make a whole lot of grip though. Your bitch know, I make you look like a shit show. She get low, like that song from Lil Jon. Damn player, sorry for you, think it's time to move on. Just treat it like a billboard and call it a sign. Oh my, no wonder how I've become like the number to the left of 2. Boy, I'm the one, so incredible. In the process of achieving things they'll never do. No wonder why I'm ahead of you. Now I was cruising, trying to get by. I was on my way to losing, I don't know why. It's just something about the music, it's getting me high. Getting me high, getting me high. Now I was cruising, trying to get by. I was on my way to losing, I don't know why. It's just something about the music, it's getting me high.